Hello students, welcome to SOURAV sir's classes. The question is, Company ABC starts an educational program in collaboration with Institute XYZ. As per the agreement, ABC and XYZ will share profit in 60:40 ratio. The initial investment of rupees 1 lakh on infrastructure is borne entirely by ABC, whereas the running cost of rupees 400 per student is borne by XYZ. If each student pays rupees 2000 for the program, find the minimum number of students required to make the program profitable, assuming ABC wants to recover its investment in the very first year and the program has no seat limits. Now, for minimum number of students to recover the cost, revenue should be greater than expenditure. Now let the number of students be X. Then expenditure is equal to the fixed cost, that is 1 lakh, plus X into variable cost, that is 400 per student. And revenue is 2000 for each student, so 2000x. Thus we need to solve this equation. 2000x greater than 1 lakh plus 400x, or 1600x greater than 1 lakh. On solving this, we get x greater than 62.5. Therefore, x equals 63. So option A is the correct answer. The next question is, study the figure below and answer the question. 4 persons walk from point A to point D following different routes. The person following ABCD takes 70 minutes. So A to B, then C, then D takes 70 minutes. Another person takes 45 minutes following ABD. So ABD takes 45 minutes. The third person takes 30 minutes following route ACD. So traveling ACD takes 30 minutes. The last person takes 65 minutes following route ACBD. ACBD takes 65 minutes. If all were to walk at the same speed, how long will it take to go from point A to point C, from point B to point C? Now let AB equals A, BD equals B, AC equals D, and CD equals C, and BC equals E. Then according to the question, A plus E plus C is equal to 70. A plus B equal to 45. D plus C equals 30. D plus E plus B equals 65. Let this be equation 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now adding all these equations, we get 2 into A plus B plus C plus D plus E equals 210, or A plus B plus C plus D plus E is equal to 105. But A plus E plus C equals 70. So B plus D equals 105 minus 70 is equal to 35. Now from equation 4, E equals 65 minus 35, that is 30 minutes. So the correct option is option C.